They do, in fact, because 12,000 sets have been picked up in the last 2 weeks. 2 weeks. That is well over half of the quantity that we brought in for the entire holidays. I'm just going to get into it real fast because these are the set of 4. Ruffled, which is new, right? The ruffles?
The ruffled
edges.
correct.
Ruffled 12-ounce mini loaf pans with the coordinating gift boxes.
Yep.
This is my pick of the show. It's new. It's on 5 easy pays and free shipping and handling, but only until the end of the weekend. You wait for these. It's $6.75 per gift, and that includes the box that matches.
What?
It's K85980540 on an easy pay. All right, Pawfetti. This is poinsettia. Here is winter whimsy. Most limited there.
Okay.
Fewer than 700 remain in winter whimsy. Remember, 12,000 in 2 weeks. Here is the bee leaf. Then we have it in doodle doo. And we have it in woodland white.
I know. I don't like, shh.
We
just
do
get
have
them
it
on
still in
free
the woodland
shipping.
white.
Yes.
Okay.
I know.
Get it on free shipping.
Get
and
it
handling.
while you
Get
can,
it
right?
Immediately.
Yeah.
Like, immediately is my
Immediately.
recommendation here. Okay, talk to me.
It's absolutely. And get out your Christmas list and put 4 checks on it right now because you are going to get 4 gifts for under $27 and a chips for free. So you wait for this. Every year, and we bring out our mini loaf pans. This year we added that beautiful scalloping, the ruffle on the edge. 12-ounce capacity, so it's about a cup and a half right there. Little helper handles on the side, and a coordinated gift box times 4. So
It's
we're
crazy.
talking truly, right? The amazing fact that you can get 4 gifts for under $27 is just crazy. And the Pawfetti, I know you love it. We did 4 different.
Yeah, they're all different.
Yes. So look, I'm sure you have someone who helps you with.
So I have
right?
a lot of people that I'm a single mom of that puppy.
Sure.
So I have his daycare, and they are so kind to him at
So
daycare. I
kind,
have dog
right?
walkers who come in and take care of him. And I would love to, I don't bake, but maybe I would bake something in it. Or I could throw little candies
truffles
in
or
here,
something in
truffles,
here.
lint truffles.
The little mini Cheryl's cookies.
Yes,
right in
anything
here.
like that, and just say thank you for loving on my
Yes.
puppy as much as I do.
I love that idea. So there you go. Your dog walker taking care of whoever it is, because you know people help us with our animals, you know, in so many different ways. The vet. I never know what to. I send cookies to the vet, but this is so much more meaningful, right?
Yeah, I think so too.
Then I love this. So individual with the cardinal with the poinsettia. So what we did here was 4 different kind of iconic Christmas traditions. So we did our little cinnamon bread here, our cobbler. Even though these are mini at 12 ounces, well, kind of mini. They're mighty.
They're
Cup and
mini
a half.
mighty.
It's a great portion control because it's actually that great size for 1. That's what I love
Yeah,
about it.
it
Like,
is.
if you put a cobbler in here, somebody can actually eat the whole
Look
thing.
how pretty it looks with the sides for Thanksgiving, with the cranberries and the stuffing, my favorite food of all time.
Oh,
Is that gravy in there?
And
Oh,
gravy. Just put your spoons in here, layered down the center of your
down
table.
the center of the table.
Teacher's gifts, right? I mean, the person, I always say, like, that person that does your nails, like, what do you get them?
Oh, Leslie, thank
Like,
you.
Right, this is this is $6 and change
Yeah.
a gift. And look, we're all on budgets this year, right? And you know, things are just a little bit more than they used to be, and we have gifts we have to buy people though.
White Woodland, I mean, this is year round.
For sure. This isn't just for the holidays, unless you pick up maybe the winter whimsy
and poinsettia.
and the cardinal with poinsettia. But look at this. We did 4 individual breads.
So beautiful.
And remember, this is Temp-tations stomer, so I can literally take my bread. Like, Julia, look at this. Pop it right out.
Stunning.
Look at the inside. It's like I never even baked in here. So naturally nonstick. The heat hugs your food, but
And you
great
bake
for
right
cold.
in it.
Bake right in it.
Right in it.
And then here, I love this because, like you said, really good point. Even if you don't know who these are for, pick them up now and put them in your gift closet because when it comes to be Easter, you can fill this with Easter candy.
Oh, pretty.
Right?
Yes.
It's not just for the holidays at this price. Wow.
Let me remind everyone of your options, and I'll start right here.
Sure.
This is going to be your Doodle Doo. 1,100 remaining in Doodle Doo. My favorite, what I collect, is the woodland white.
Look how gorgeous that
It's
wood
so
grain
stunning.
design. Like that's textured. You can feel it.
Then we have it in Pawfetti. Shocker, it's the most popular today. Here's the Pawfetti. Here we have it in poinsettia. Then we have it for your winter whimsy, which is the most limited. And then we have it in Believe,
Yeah.
which is so cute. And there's something so cheerful
about
that
Believe.
one.
I love that. And remember, you are getting 4. And here's the Believe with that honeycomb pattern
Yep.
and the bee along the side right here. Like, did vegetables ever look so beautiful?
It looks like a harvest.
Right.
Doesn't
it looks like you're in a magazine, right? Like you took a picture. And then we just wanted to show you, like, if you want to prep in advance, you can literally just put this in the refrigerator just like so. And then when company comes, because company's coming, right? Look at this. Like, you're good to go. So these allow you to prep in advance. And it's great for those store-bought dips.
Oh, yes.
Right?
No one ever needs to know.
No one, not
Just
don't use
decant
those
it into
plastic-
something else.
Decant your dips.
Decant your dip,
Yeah,
if
absolutely.
you will. Okay, you're getting 4 of them. Coordinating gift boxes, and I'll just show the box right here.
Sure
'cause,
thing.
I mean, beyond adorable.
Look how cute
Whether
this is.
you bake in it and gift just like that, or you just gift it in the box, it's so fantastic. You're getting 4, 12 ounces each. 5 easy pays go away, and the free shipping and handling goes away. All right, poinsettia, winter whimsy, Pawfetti, Believe, Doodle Doo, and white woodland. It turns out to be $6.75 per gift. $5.40 brings it home on an easy pay. It's K85980. I love you so much.
Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. So
a
much
little Temptations
fun.
takeover in the kitchen with
It
Mary
was a
and
little
Julia.
Temptations takeover, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'll see you
yes,
soon.
it was. See
Hey,
you soon.
Before we go, we have a couple minutes left together. This is the sweater I've been wearing the last 4 hours.